Alam mo, dapat maging proud ka sa sarili mo kasi for someone na walang utak, ang lakas mo mag-overthink.
I don't like your attitude.
Maybe if we wait just a little bit longer, a fuck will fall into my hand, and I can give it to you.
Hey guys! Okay, so for today's video, tayo ay magmi-makeup for my rehearsals. As you can see, I still have my print marks and that is okay because we will cover it up with this foundation. I mean, kind of cover it up because I have an announcement to make, mga ma'am, sir, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta love our blemishes and our imperfections. We gotta love them. So yeah, kind of cover it up. And I really love this foundation kasi meron siyang parang skin finish. Yun na nga po. Okay, so now I am going to conceal my bags. And guys, I love my bags dahil pinaghirapan at pinagpuyatan ko po sila. Opo, totoo po. But sometimes you gotta conceal it. And I really love this concealer. It's really good in my opinion. You should try it. And now we are going to set all of that with this powder. And onti lang because we still want that glow. We don't want to be too matte. At ayan, diba? Ang gulo ni Kaylin mag-makeup. Pasensya na po. Pero dahil si Alcantara to, syempre nakalimutan niya mag-lip and cheek stain bago siya mag-set ng powder. But it is okay. Onti lang ilalagay natin. Yes, sabi niya, onti lang. Dahil gusto natin mag-feeling na tayo parang si, Hailey Bieber. Ganyan, onti lang kailangan sa face. Okay, alam niyo ba guys, forever favorite ko talaga to ever since bata pa ako. Kasi kapag may ganito ka sa school, sikat ka, ganun. As in, para kayong si Sasa girls sa school lahat. So yeah, I really love this. And syempre sa nose din, parang kunwari, hinalikan tayo ni Kumaring Araw. And syempre kung may extra kayo, ilagay na natin sa lips natin dahil lip and cheek stain siya. Okay, now we are going to brush up our eyebrows. Ayan, i-brush up lang natin siya. Wala tayong ilalagay na iba, kundi ang eyebrow mascara lang. Now we are going to curl our lashes. I'm not gonna put anything sa lashes ko, but you can put Everblena mascara also. And now we are going to use this palette, my forever favorite. I'm sorry kung yun na po itsura, pero I just bring this everywhere I go. We're going to highlight the inner corners and highlight the high points of our face and now lippies, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if it's chaotic. Thank you. Love you. Love you, EB. Mops, mops, mops.